Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you all. It's time for our chart of the week. And this week I've selected out a big biopharma name, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals. It's starting to look like a bullish chart here. So let's go ahead and take a look at this chart and mark it up as we go along here. Regeneron seems to have carved out a small little inverse head and shoulders pattern. You can see this here. Here's the head here, right shoulder right over here as well. But more interestingly enough, through that has been a series of higher highs and higher lows. And we also see the apex forming here of a symmetrical triangle. What normally happens is it'll start moving out towards the end of the triangle over here and resolve somewhere. And clearly this stock has been sideways to down for the better part of 2017 and into from the latest part of 16 after a severe down move from this gap down. It's hard to say which direction this is going to go, but if I had to guess here, I would give it a chance to go higher, and this is the reason why. We've seen some good strong volume lately on the up days. We did see some high volume here at the beginning of the year as well too. We have a buy signal on the MACD. Money flow has still been negative, but we can see here, we can trace out higher lows on the Chaikin money oscillator, Chaikin money flow oscillator here, and we've just made a new relative high in the relative strength index that we haven't seen since the breakdown in November of last year. So it seems like this stock is probably going to maybe go sideways here, tighten the range a little bit. Because the last couple of days, 2 or 3 days, have been pretty solid on good volume, and we like a stock that is showing some strength as well. Clearly, it needs to get above about the 390 area. Here we can see that that area of resistance right there. Above that 390 area would get this stock moving better to the upside than it has been. Again, we've been making a series of lower highs but higher lows, which means the stock is somewhat trendless here. I do think that once it exceeds this 390 level, it's going to make a move onto that gap pretty quickly, which is about 420, right over there, right over here. So once it gets through this resistance level here, we think we'll have a good shot too for some higher prices. So that's Regeneron. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.